Earth's core is mostly made up of iron, and Earth, as well, acts like a giant magnet, and with all magnets, there is a north and a south pole. The Earth being like a magnet, it has a north and a south pole. Those north and south poles can be changed and, more accurately, reversed. When they're reversed, that is known as geomagnetic reversal, and that is what happens. The poles are switched. When underwater, volcanoes will erupt, producing magma with minerals in them, and those minerals contain iron. Those minerals are moved or oriented towards the Earth's magnetic field and are locked in place pointing north, just as if a compass. They are like a compass. In the 1960s, scientists discovered these bands across the seafloor. These bands had normal and reversed magnetic polarity. And the bands worked like so magma would come up from the mantle through the lithosphere out through this thing called a ridge, and it would disperse across the ocean seafloor, making bands with the reversed and normal polarity. These bands would move across the seafloor, eventually going into trenches where it would be recycled back into the mantle, through the mantle, and back up through the ridge to make more bands. The bands that were farther away were the older bands, and the newer bands were close, if not right at the ridge. And that is my explanation of seafloor spreading.